the motor is up. Okay. Just gonna turn this thing around. Back my car in. I'm now in position. The bow is back into position. The motor is up, so I'm gonna mount the motor now. Very cool. So the steering cable is connected, so I'm just gonna engine side. So I'm just gonna poke the steering cable through that hole again and to the front where I have the steering wheel. And this should be it. Okay, I'm fitting the steering cable through here to the steering wheel now. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, we got the motor on the boat and also the steering cable through. So we're gonna mount it to the steering wheel now.